Hi there, binary options traders. My name is AJ, and today I'm going to be showing you an AUD USD binary option trade that I placed on July the 5th, 2012. AUD USD, that currency pair is the Aussie dollar. So it was a put option with an invested amount of $24, expiring below for 40.80, so that's nice. As you can see from the market price strike of 1.02567 and the target price of 1.02583, that's a great win. It's almost 2 pips or 2 or 3 pips, and that's great because especially in 60-second options, you don't usually see that much of a movement. And when it moves in that direction and you had the right thinking behind it, you looked at the technical analysis, the fundamental analysis, the sentiment analysis, and all those things lined up and you made the right decision, it's always great to see a good trade like that. Not just because you were trading wildly and it happened to go in your favor. Anyways, let's get into the chart work, shall we? So over here is my MetaTrader chart, and it's a 1-minute chart because that's what I like to trade off of, and it's a pretty useful chart to trade off if you're trading 60-second binaries. And as you can see, the price, regardless of all the indicators that I have on here, it was just sort of ranging. Just the price action, you can see these long wicks moving up and down, but basically staying within this area. So by drawing these two trend lines, I had a good idea of where the price was going to bounce off of. So the previous high over here became a good indicator for an area to take a put option. So when price started creeping up over here, and then it eventually went back down, and then it started moving back up, 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 up. And then finally it hit this zone over here. That's where I placed my my put option, and of course this candle is nice and red. Of course I didn't get as good of a fill as I would wanted. I wanted to fill right at the top over here, but unfortunately 24Option gave me the option price change message, which is frustrating but understandable. But I was able to work with it. I felt it was a good enough trade to still take, and it worked out well in my favor. I guess the lesson for me, and if you want to share in this too, is just be aware of what price is doing regardless of your indicators. Sure, my standard entries that I like to use, which is stochastic, pointing in overbought conditions. Same thing with the RSI, and then a sharp drop. Those are great and they're really useful, but I mean, just eyeing the price and just seeing what the candles are doing gives a much better picture of what's going on. And the great part about it is that you can apply this to all time frames and all charts, whether it's forex, equity, so like stocks or bonds, or whatever. It doesn't, or even commodities. All that matters is that you have the fundamentals down for these kind of things. So for example, in the technical analysis here, it's quite clear that the price was ranging, and by being aware of that, you can make good trades either from the top or the bottom. It doesn't matter. You can profit from both ends, in fact. I was busy and I wasn't able to put in a trade at this point, but as you can see, when it broke the Bollinger Band right over here, this would have been also a good trade to take, just calling up. And then the one calling down over here was obviously a good trade. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'd just like to remind you to like, comment, share, and subscribe all these videos, as well as the videos over the Happy Forexer channel right here on YouTube. If you don't have a 24Option account, there is a link in the description down below, which you can click on, and it'll take you to 24Option, and from there you can fund the account and ask for a live account, for a demo account afterwards, which you can use to practice all sorts of strategies, including 60-second options. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, don't be afraid to leave them in the comments down below. I'd be happy to get back to you and just engage in the conversation. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.